Tuesday morning to Thursday morning. Impacts at 17.0 feet. Minor land flooding begins. Additional details at 11:15 a.m. Monday. The stage was 14.9 feet. Forecast: the river is expected to rise above flood stage tomorrow morning to a crest of 17.6 feet tomorrow evening. It will then fall below flood stage early Thursday morning. Flood stage is 17.0 feet.
Take a hitter.
Flooding is forecast. Where? Sunbrook River at North Chichester. When? From this afternoon to Wednesday morning. Impacts at 7.0 feet. Water up to Bockulder Road and Allenstown. Waterfront campsites impacted. Campers should move to higher ground. Additional details at 11:15 a.m. Monday. The stage was 6.5 feet. Forecast: the river is expected to rise above flood stage late this afternoon to a crest of 7.9 feet just after midnight tonight. It will then fall below flood stage early Wednesday morning. Flood stage is 7.0 feet. Now for the official national weather.